In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add a collaborator to an Instagram post. So go to Instagram and create a particular post you'd like. So tap on that, next, tap on next. And then from here, you'll see the option tag people. Tap on that. And then you'll see invite collaborators. Tap on that. Now from here, you can search the user that you'd like to add as a collaborator to that particular post. So let's say, for instance, I'll add this account. Tap on it, and it will be added on the list of collaborators. So once that's done, tap on the tick at the top right corner. And from here, you can edit the description, you can add the location, or you can add music to that particular post. Once you're done done editing the post, tap on share, and then give a few seconds for Instagram to process that post. Now, on the other account that has been invited to be a collaborator, they'll receive a message informing them that they have been invited to be a collaborator on this particular post, on that particular post. So they can tap on that post, they can see what the post is all about, and then they can tap on review, and they can choose either to accept, decline, or maybe do that later on. So once they accept, on your end, you'll be notified that that particular account has accepted your invitation to be a collaborator on your post. So you'll see that notification on the other side. And also, this account, the account that has been accepted as a collaborator, you will see that post on their profile. You see here is the post that they have accepted, and they are collaborators too. And that's basically how to add a collaborator on an Instagram post. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.